So hospitals dealt with an influx of patients during a second wave back in July, as you know. But this time, hospital executives say it's different. NBC6 reporter Tony Pipitone tells us why.
We've been here before. Rising cases, more hospitalizations, and then deaths. But 3 hospital executives brought together today by the North Miami Beach Chamber of Commerce said this time is different.
The curve isn't moving the same way that the curve did on the last wave.
Consider, the state is averaging more than 7,200 new cases a day in the last week, a 200% increase over 6 weeks. But the last time the curve crossed 7,200 cases a day, that 200% rise took only 2 weeks. So the curve was rising 3 times faster going into July.
And then people were out and about. And we saw a pretty significant spike. So sometime in July, we had nearly 500 COVID positive patients throughout our hospitals.
Today, it's 124 at all Jackson hospitals and holding steady for about a week. The peak for 5 Tenet hospitals, including North Shore Medical Center, was 406 patients on July 3rd. Today, it's 99. All good at Memorial, too. But its CEO says models predict the next wave of patients will peak around Christmas.
We have not seen big spikes yet. I will say that the models and the forecast of the positivity rates in the area do not look promising, so we have to do everything that we possibly can to slow that down.
For those who do get sick, the hospital execs say mortality has lately been much lower.
We've learned so much since the beginning of this thing in terms of therapeutics that we can use, non-pharmaceutical treatments that are being deployed, we've really learned a lot and been able to employ that knowledge.
But they all agree the best advice for battling COVID is not to get it in the first place. Tony Pipitone, NBC6 News.